Hello and welcome to Althea Suite. Today we're going to take a look at adding more information on our items on different document types. So actually the first thing I'm going to do is come down to my products and go to my items, and we're going to take a look at the item definition here. So I've used these decorative pillows as my example. So I'm going to click into the context menu and then go to modify. Now, if I scroll all the way down to the bottom of this product definition page, I have my item additional notes down here. I click into that. Now, these are predefined fields I've set up for this item. So these will show whenever I add an item to any of my document types, or whenever I add this item, I should say, to my document types. I'll have these fields for size, color, style. So that's the first part here. Next, let's create a sales invoice with that same item type. So I'm going to come to create invoice. We'll grab a customer here. And let's add our item. Now you'll see when I added this item, that additional information that I put on the item definition, those fields are showing up under the item name. What I can do is come into my context menu on the item itself, and then you'll see again, I have add more information. I'm going to click that. That will bring up those fields I've already set up, or if I had not set anything up, just a blank document for me. So I'm actually going to remove these. We're going to pretend that we did not have any information added. Then I can say that the style, say med, the color, gold and orange, and the size XL. Hit OK. All of that's going to come up down below my item here. Be transferred over to this document. Mark this for delivery and hit pay now. We'll take our payment and save. So now this has been created and it is showing as deliverable, meaning that we do have sufficient stock to deliver it. But I'm going to pretend that we don't, and I'm going to come here and create a back order purchase order. We'll say no supplier for now and generate. That will bring us to our purchase order document. Now you'll note that when the purchase order document is created, that those same fields that I have added came over to this purchase order. Again, clicking into my context menu, I can still make adjustments. I can add more additional information, or I could remove everything I've added. But we'll just say that that is all correct. That's what I want to keep. I'll hit OK. We'll go ahead and select our supplier and save. Now that purchase order has been created for this sales invoice. The purchase order number was tied over there. We can see that here. And under our purchase orders, we will also see that document created. Thank you so much for watching, and we appreciate your interest in Althea Suite.